Hi guys, and welcome to YouTube channel's Ala Tattoo Equipment. I'm here today to show you how to replace part of the GTX and GTXS tattoo pen. If you haven't watched the previous video of the introduction of the machine, I invite you to go to see it. It's in the description below. This machine has two parts that can be changed. It's both contained inside the box of the tattoo machine you have bought. The first part that I will show you how to replace is the spring or the spring systems. To do it, you need first to remove the grip. Once the grip is removed, you need to take the tools to adjust the grips. Like this. Then, by using the tools, you need to turn to the left until releasing fully the spring. That can take a while, it's totally normal. Of course, as you can see, my spring is not broken, but I'm showing you in a case if the spring was broken. So let's say this spring is broken. I'm gonna take a new one that is provided inside the box. So you will just take the new spring and pull it in a drive bar. Then takes the spring's adjustment parts with the tools and turn it to the right. Then it's set. You have replaced the spring part. Now it's recovered. Now that we have replaced the spring, the second part that might be damaged with time, it's the stroke parts. So to change the stroke parts, you also need to remove the grips. Then you just need these two parts in the middle to turn it. It's very easy to remove. Here, as you can see, this is the stroke part. You have two possibilities. You can remove totally the stroke in case it wasn't set enough strong. With the Allen key, you will release the screw by turning to the left. Then you can remove totally the stroke parts. If you want to put it again, you just need to put it back. And again with the Allen key, this one you need to turn to the right to set it very strongly with the best. To only change the stroke part, it's very easy. You just need to remove it like this, without needing to unscrew this part. So we might say this part is broken or damaged. To put the new part, it's very easy, you just to set it on it. But we advise you to put some oil on it to avoid any heat during the function of the machine. This is very important. Once you're finished, once again, very easy, you just need to put the lower part on the upper part and turn to the right. As you can see also, inside the bags, you have few O-rings that is provided. Like this, you can change the middle part or the lower part O-ring very easily, in case this can be broken with time. This is possible. Okay guys, this is it for replacement parts video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please thumbs up. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channels. If you are interested to buy our GTX and GTXS tattoo pen machines, you can find in the description below a distributor list where you will be able to find a distributor in your country. If you cannot find a distributor in your country, please contact us by email